27 unique floor plans, prime location, and resort-style amenities. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're at Everbe. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole Montaiuti, a real estate advisor here in Central Florida, where I go all around the Sunshine State showing you the best new construction communities, resale gems, and investment opportunities. And today we're kicking this tour off right here in Orlando's newest master plan community, Everbe. Everbe is located only 10 minutes from Orlando International Airport, 20 minutes from downtown Orlando, and only 30 minutes into Florida's famous theme parks. You're gonna have major shopping centers and your Publix plus major restaurants about 5 minutes outside of the community, but this community has it all. You're gonna have a clubhouse, fitness center, multiple pools and walking trails, and its location is prime. So you have major highways with easy access to get to everywhere you need to go. Now let's get this tour started. Today we're going to be looking at the Coral Grand model here at Pulte's Everbe community. It's going to be a 2-story home. Now it is semi-customizable, so there are different features in the home that you're able to personalize. But as you can see, you have a fresh, clean exterior. This home is made with concrete block, so that ensures peace of mind when it comes to storm season. You're going to have a nice front patio here, perfect for morning coffee or just watching the sunset. But it's an overall traditional, beautiful home, and I can't wait to show you inside. Now let's come in. The first thing you're gonna notice is that you're greeted with 22-foot ceilings, so it's very inviting and very spacious. Now, before we go take a look inside of the home, I'm gonna show you the front. You're gonna have a guest bedroom here with its own private bathroom. Now, this model is gonna be 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and just under 3,000 square feet. But as soon as you enter this guest bedroom, you have lots of natural light. You have carpet inside of this room and all of the bedrooms of the home. And you're also gonna have a really spacious closet. You have 9-foot ceilings, so it's really spacious, and you have all the room to be comfortable and to rest well. From the guest bedroom, you have your own private bathroom here. So it's perfect if you're hosting an in-law, if you're hosting friends, extended family. They have their own space here to have privacy and to get some good rest. This bathroom has a nice hexagon tile that goes all the way up into the ceiling. You have ceramic tile throughout the entirety of the home, minus the bedrooms, but you also have a nice vanity here with quartz countertops and a nice black hardware to give a modern touch. Another part of the entry is that you have an additional storage closet, perfect for linens or outdoor shoes, jackets, everything that you have. From the front of the home, you're gonna keep walking towards the entry, and then it's gonna lead into 2 parts. You have an enclosed office right through here. Now, this is a flex room, so if you're a growing family, if you want an additional room, this is the perfect space to create that. But as you can see, this model used it as their office space. You have lots of natural light. They decorated it with modern fixtures, but ceramic tile throughout the entirety of the home. Now, from the flex room, which is what they use as their office, on the other side, you're gonna have your 2-car garage and your laundry room. Now, your 2-car garage is very spacious. You have a lot of room for storage. If you wanna create a workout station or a workstation, you have enough room in the garage. Now, from the garage, you're also gonna have your laundry room, so it's nice and tucked away, perfect for all the noise that it makes. But a really nice feature is that this laundry has a built-in sink already to it, so it's nice and functional. From the laundry room, a really cool feature of this hallway is that it has this little closet here, which if you're a movie person, you know this is Harry Potter's room. Now, follow me into the gathering space of the home. The minute you walk in, this is the most inviting space I've ever been in. It's nice and open, you have lots of natural light, and a perfect space to entertain your family and friends. This is gonna be your living room. As you can see, they staged it really well with 2 couches facing each side. You have your TV set up here, and you have massive windows bringing in all that natural light. Now, across the living room, this is gonna be your kitchen. As you can see, it's fully upgraded, so you have soft close cabinetry here with nice black hardware. You have stainless steel appliances that are built in to give that sleek touch. And you also have a nice Mediterranean tile here. But an overall really good space to create memories, to create really good food, make some awesome cakes. But another cool feature of this kitchen is that this kitchen island gives you one additional seating, but additional storage too. There's gonna be a cabinet on one side of the island and outlets on the other side. Now from the kitchen is gonna be your dining space, and as you can see, it's very spacious. So this table sits about 6 guests, but it definitely can fit about 8 to 10. You have nice big open windows and an awesome dining space to have good dinners with family, to create memories for breakfast, to do arts and crafts for the kids. Now let's go take a look at the master bedroom, which is on the first floor. This master feels very luxurious and very comfortable at the same time. Lots of natural light flows in here, and the bedrooms, like I said before, have carpet, so it's very nice, it's very comfortable. Now, your bathroom is gonna be located inside of your master suite, which is an awesome touch. You have his and hers quartz countertop vanities here. Again, the dark brown cabinetry, like in the kitchen, flows to the bathroom, so that's very seamless. You have a nice shower here with a skylight and tiles that go all the way up into the ceiling. You also have another linen closet, plus your private toilet room, and a really massive walk-in closet with enough space and shelving for you and your significant other. Now let's go upstairs and take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. Upstairs, you have an expansive loft with tons of room to enjoy family movie nights and game nights with friends and family. You have a storage closet here as well with tons of shelf space, perfect for all the kids' toys. Down the hall, you have your AC handler, 2 guest bedrooms, and another bathroom in between. The first guest bedroom offers lots of natural light and a built-in closet. The second guest bedroom offers a lot of natural light as well, and a bigger built-in closet with tons of room. Now outside, it's something truly special. You have an outdoor kitchen here, a nice seating area that can transform into your dining place, a green area, and a beautiful fire pit to enjoy Florida winters. If you're interested in this home located in Everbe, comment down below.